Hello, welcome to our classes. I'm Dr. KK Misra. This video tutorial is on multiple choice questions on intellectual property rights. Part 2. Question number 1. A new way to process milk so that there is no fat in any cheese made from it. What is this? This is, say, option A, copyrights, B, trademark, C, patent, D, industrial design, E, geographical indications. Definitely this is a process that will require patent. So this is C is the correct option. Question number 2. A company has divided to invest in outer shape design of bottle in which they would fill the perfume produced by them and which is distinctive, and they wish to ensure that they have sole use. For this, what term will be applicable? A, copyrights, B, trademark, C, patent, D, industrial designs, E, geographical indications. Correct option is D, industrial designs. 3. A company decides to use a logo that has the same shape as its competitor but with a different color. A, copyrights, B, trademark, C, patent, D, industrial designs, E, geographical indications. This will be treated as industrial designs. So correct option is D. Which of the following is not an intellectual property law? A, Copyright Act 1957, B, Trademark Act 1999, C, Patent Act 1970, D, Design Act 2000, E, Customs Act 1962. Correct option is E, Customs Act 1962. Question number 5. Copyright law applies to forms of expression contained in A, song lyrics and musical compositions, B, sculptures and paintings, C, dramatic and literary works, D, all of the above. Correct option is D, all of the above. 6. A trademark is represented by several key characteristics. Which of the following is one of them? A, a trademark identifies product's origin. B, slogans are not covered under trademark law. C, trademarks are never an indicator of quality. D, trademarks are shorthand for retailers to use in determining pricing strategy. Correct option is A, a trademark identifies a product's origin. 7. Which of the following statements is true? A, trademark registrations can be renewed for an unlimited number of 10-year periods. B, trademark law is intended to protect the owner's original work. C, to qualify for federal protection, a mark must be distinctive and have a secondary meaning. D, surnames alone can be trademarked. Correct option is A, a trademark restrictions can be renewed for an unlimited number of 10-year periods. A, trademark law protects A, words, symbols, or devices that differentiate goods or services from one another. B, only brand names. C, names of specific people and places. D, inventions that feature some sort of utility function. Correct option is A, words, symbols, or devices that differentiate goods or services from one another. 9. Trade in services includes which of the following? A, computer hardware, B, textiles, C, insurance, D, aerospace. Correct option is C, insurance. 10. So the following principles is applicable to trademarks. A, trademark should be distinctive. B, a trademark should be capable of distinguishing goods or services. C, a trademark should not cause confusion with previous trademarks. D, a trademark should not be deceptive. E, all of the above. Correct option is B, a trademark should be capable of distinguishing goods or services. 11. The term copyright for an author lasts how long? A, the life of the author. B, the life of the author plus 60 years. C, 95 years. D, 75 years. Correct option is C, 95 years. 12. Why an invention should be prevented? A, it gives protection to patentable invention. B, it gives legal recognition to the invention. C, it makes others aware of the fact as to whom does the invention belong. D, patenting one's invention make useful data relating to the invention available to other inventions for further research and development. Out of 4 regions given above, please identify the correct regions. So here option B is correct. Second, third and fourth are the correct statements in this regard. 13. The rights provided by copyrights are A, reproduction of the work in various forms. B, public performance and translate into other languages. C, broadcasting by radio or cable. D, all of the above. Correct option is C, broadcasting by radio or cable. 14. The rights of a patentee are A, sell or distribute. B. License. C. Assign the property to others. D. All of the above. Correct option is D. All of the above. 15. In your view, who can be the right holder of IPR? A. Owner of the intellectual property. B. The successor in title of the owner of intellectual property. C. A license duly authorized by the owner of the intellectual property. D. All of the above. Correct option is D. All of the above. 16. A policy or policies behind the patent system is 1. To encourage an inventor to disclose an invention by granting exclusive rights over the invention to the inventor. 2. To benefit the public by limiting the scope and term of the exclusive rights granted to an inventor. 3. To benefit the public through encouraging innovation by publishing a full disclosure of the technical details of the invention. 4. To benefit the public through guaranteeing that the inventor can commercialize his or her invention. Here, option D is correct, none of the above. So this was all about this video tutorial. I hope that you have liked it, and if you have liked it, please do not forget to subscribe my YouTube channel, R Classes, and press the bell button and pass it on to others, those who are needed now and in the future. Thank you. Please like, share and subscribe. Thank you very much. Have a nice time. Best of luck.